Hai adik-adik, kembali lagi dengan Kak Rina di online class 101. Kali ini kita akan belajar bahasa Inggris untuk kelas 9 dari buku Kurikulum Merdeka. Chapter 3, Journey to Fantasy World, Unit 2, Back to the 90s, di Section 3, Reading, di halaman 172 sampai dengan 173. Yuk di-subscribe dulu, klik loncengnya, like dan share juga ya. Dan boleh juga di-subscribe channel Kak Rina yang lain untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Learning Language Academy. Dan follow IG dan Facebooknya juga di @onlineclass101.id. Gimana kabar kalian hari ini adik-adik? Semoga semuanya dalam keadaan sehat ya. Yuk kita bahas Section 3 Reading. Read the following story of Time Travel Car Part 2. And then state or decide whether the following statements were true or false. When Monita opened her eyes, the car stopped. She looked outside the windshield. It was a bright sunny day. Where am I? She thought. She got out of the car and realized that she was in a warehouse. Monita then walked outside the warehouse. She saw an old man sitting in front of a house, reading a newspaper. "Excuse me, what place is this?" asked Monita. "You are in Banjarmasin," said the man with the newspaper in his hand. "Do you know SMP Merdeka? Would you tell me how to get there? My house is near the school," said Monita. "SMP Merdeka? There is no SMP Merdeka here. This is Banjarmasin, isn't it?" "Yes, this is Banjarmasin, but there is no SMP Merdeka here." "Is that the new newspaper? May I borrow it? What date is it today?" asked Monita. "Today is the 1st of May 1990. "No, I must be dreaming." Monita read the date in the newspaper. Monita then read the headline in the newspaper. The title was "A Professor from Banjarmasin Discovered a Time Travel Machine." "Where can I buy this newspaper?" "You can have it. I have read all the news." "Thank you." In the newspaper, Monita, ini di-translate ya. In the newspaper, Monita saw a picture of a car that looked exactly like what she was riding. Next to the car, there was a picture of a professor. His name was Professor Mahmud. He was a lecturer in Science State University. The newspaper said that he was an expert in electrical engineering. I must see this man," said Monita to herself. "Sir, how do I get to Science State University?" "Just go straight down the street, turn left. The university is on Pemuda Street. It's a tall building. You will find it easily." After Monita walked for about 2 kilometers, she arrived at Science State University. She asked the security officer how to meet Professor Mahmud. It was hard to convince the security officer that she came for the year 2022. "Do you want to meet the professor?" "Yes, let me see him please." "Say it again. You are from the future and you want to meet the professor?" "Yes, let me see him please." "I'm sorry, but you cannot see him now. Go home." Monita shouted, "I really need to see him. Let me see him." Nah, itu ya ceritanya. Nah, di sini ada word box, ada warehouse, lecturer, electrical engineering, convince, dan future. Sekarang circle T if the statement is true or F if the statement is false. Yang pertama, Monita was in SMP Merdeka when she opened her eyes. Yang ini false ya, dia tadi ada di warehouse. Kemudian yang nomor 2, Monita met Professor Mahmud in front of the warehouse. Nah, ini bukan ya, itu hanya seorang pria. Kemudian number 3, Professor Mahmud invented the time travel machine. Yang ini true. Kemudian number 4, Professor Mahmud was an expert in electrical engineering. Nah, yang ini betul ya, dia betul. Kemudian Berikutnya, the security officer believed that Monita was from the future. Nah, yang ini salah karena dia tadi akhirnya diusir ya, jadi ini false. Kemudian, draw a line to match the line each sentence with the character. Nah, ini ada beberapa kalimat ya, kalian bisa lihat di sebelah kanan. Yang pertama, the person who invented the time travel car. Nah, yang ini tuh dia kita hubungkan dengan profesor ya, yang ini yang pakai baju ini. The person who tried to meet the professor. Nah, yang ini adalah Monita. The person who talked to Monita at the gate, yang ini ya, security guard. The person who became a lecturer, nah ini juga. The person who walked about 2 kilometers. Ini juga adalah si Monita. Okay. Did you know, is time travel possible? According to Albert Einstein, time and space are linked together. According to this theory, the faster we travel, the slower we experience the time. Scientists have proven that the theory is true. They compared two clocks set at the same time. The first clock stayed on the ground, and the second clock flew in an airplane. After the airplane flew around the world, the clock on the plane was slower than the clock on the ground. It means that time travel is a real thing, but it is different from what we see in the movies. Oke, pembelajaran kita sudah selesai adik-adik. Semoga pembelajaran kita kali ini bisa bermanfaat. Yuk di-subscribe dulu, klik loncengnya, like dan share juga ya. Dan boleh juga di-subscribe channel Kak Rina yang lain untuk belajar bahasa Inggris di Learning Language Academy. Dan follow IG dan Facebooknya juga di @onlineclass101.id. Terima kasih sudah menonton sampai akhir. Mohon dimaafkan apabila ada kesalahan dalam perkataan maupun dalam materi yang diberikan. Sampai jumpa di pembelajaran berikutnya.